Let's talk about how to compare fractions. Which fraction is greater, 3 over 4 or 4 over 5? It's not easy to do this when the denominators are different, but it will be easier if we get common denominators. To get common denominators, we're going to multiply the first fraction using the denominator of the second. So we're going to multiply 3 over 4 by 5 over 5. Now the second fraction we're going to multiply using the denominator of the first. So 4 over 5, I'm going to multiply by 4 over 4. So multiplying across, I have 15, and 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20. So now that the denominator is the same, we can easily determine which fraction is greater. 16 is greater than 15. So 16 over 20 is greater than 15 over 20, which means that 4 over 5 is greater than 3 over 4. Now you can confirm this with your calculator. 3 over 4 as a decimal, if you divide 3 by 4, you get 0.75. 4 divided by 5 as a decimal is 0.8 or 0.80. 0.8 is greater than 0.75, so 4 over 5 is larger than 3 over 4. So that's a quick and simple way of how you can determine which fraction is greater. Now let's try another example. Go ahead and determine which fraction is greater. So let's go ahead and get common denominators. I'm going to multiply this fraction by 7 over 7 and this one by 6 over 6. So we're using the other denominator. Now let's multiply across. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. And 6 times 6 is 36. So now that the denominators are the same, we can just look at the numerators. 36 is greater than 35. Therefore, 6 over 7 is greater than 5 over 6. Let's try another example. Let's compare 5 over 9 and 4 over 7. Which one is greater? So let's get common denominators. I'm going to multiply the first fraction using the denominator of the second, and I'm going to multiply the second fraction using the denominator of the first. So we have 7 times 5, which is 35. 7 times 9 is 63. And then 4 times 9 is 36. 36 is greater than 35, so therefore 4 over 7 is greater than 5 over 9. Let's confirm it by using the calculator. If you divide 5 by 9, you're going to get 0.5 repeated. 4 over 7, that's 0.5714. 0.57 is greater than 0.55. So 4 over 7 is greater than 5 over 9. So that's a quick and simple way that you can employ when comparing fractions. If you simply get common denominators, then you only need to compare the value of the numerator of the fractions.